Gracious words are like a honeycomb, sweetness to the soul and health to the body. Proverbs chapter 16 verses 24. When it comes to African or Ghanaian dessert, tigernut pudding, popularly known in Ghana as atadwemilk, happens to be in the lead. It is quite popular in the streets of Ghana and it's mostly served at the big aunties and big uncles' weddings and parties. So now, let's go right into it and let's make this happen. Let's get started. So the main ingredient needed for this recipe are tiger nuts, and this is not the only ingredient. I'll show you all the other ones very soon, but before that, let's go ahead and wash it very well. I got these from Ghana, but you can definitely get it on Amazon or even in your normal grocery stores. It is very popular. Sure, you wash it very well. It's very necessary, and also pick out all the unwanted materials in there. All right, so we're going to also soak it overnight because we want to extract as many juices from this as possible. All right, so a special shout out today goes to Stella Afre. Thank you so much, sis, for your support. I truly enjoy all your comments. Most of the time you are first to comment, and I do really appreciate that. All right, thank you. So we are going ahead to introduce the next ingredient, which is our jasmine rice. So I use about 1 cup of it as well, and this is to help the pudding thicken up. All right, so wash it well and also soak it overnight. This is the day after, and you can see that this tiger nut has really swollen, and that means we're going to get lots of juices out of it. And to that we also have some salt, nutmeg, brown sugar, and some vanilla essence. You may also use white sugar or any other sweetener of choice. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and blend about 3 1/4 cup of tiger nut, and to that I'll add my rice and about 1.2 liter of water. Find the exact quantity of all the ingredients below in the description box. The smoother you blend this, the more juices you're going to extract. All right, so now let's squeeze out all the beautiful juices out. Just so beautiful. You can decide to blend it again. You're going to definitely extract more juices, but for me it was fine. I also went ahead to use my strainer, you know, the very fine one, to strain it once again. Get rid of the chaff as much as you can because it has the high probability of, you know, creating lumps in your mixture later. All right, so once you're done doing that, we're going to cook this into a porridge form. Here it's very important to make this on a low to medium heat. I love to always use my whisk because it helps me to get rid of any lumps that comes here. All right, so continue to stir until it thickens like this. Beautiful. So you'll be doing this for about 15 to 17 minutes, making sure it's well cooked as well. And here I'm going to add my salt and also grate some nutmeg. This brings a beautiful aroma to your pudding. Please do not omit it, but it's quite optional. Not everyone loves nutmeg. Okay, and I also go in with a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Please be mindful not to use too much because you do not want it to overpower the beautiful aroma of this tiger nuts. All right, So now it looks really good. I'm going to set it aside, and still it will be on a low to medium heat. And it's another important stage of this recipe is to caramelize your sugar. It is going to help bring out that beautiful brown color of your pudding. And also I will highly advise you to use brown sugar. You have less probability that it's going to burn and it's going to be very bitter. So with this, you just caramelize it for about a minute and you're good to go. It is so easy with brown sugar, trust me. And it has a special flavor to it, which I really love. And you also do not end up using too much sugar. All right, we say that is healthy, right? So right now we're going to blend everything together, and just look at that. Beautiful. It smells amazing. So stir everything to combine very well and allow it to simmer for the next 5 minutes more, and you should be done with your pudding. I love mine very warm and very comforting, so I'm going ahead to just serve it right away on spot. People also love it nice and chilled, just like my husband. He loves his really thick. Whichever way, it's totally fine and just so delicious. Go ahead and add a bit of evaporated milk on top, and you are going to love this experience so much. I just love this dessert. It is absolutely delicious. You can find this in the book of superfood. It's absolutely nutritious and just so comforting. So you can store up the leftovers in an airtight container, allow it to cool down, and just put it in the fridge for about a week and it won't go bad. All you have to do is set it up in the microwave, warm it up for about a minute, and you are good to go. It is so good and very nutritious. This is definitely a must try this holiday season and beyond. It is so delicious. So there you have it, family. I just also love to have this Lotus biscuit with it, or digestive biscuit. It just brings out a little bit of crunch to it, which I absolutely love. Thank you so very much, family, for watching right to the end. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe and you're going to give this a try. If you did enjoy this recipe, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share to a few friends and family. You never know who is going to need this, okay? And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovey's Touch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one. Bye.